How to return Plex products. Now, returning any items that you've ordered on Plex is very easy. But there are some factors or there are some um, messages that is indicated under the returns and refunds policy that you need to understand first before doing the method. So they actually have a 30-day return policy for any acceptable reasons for returning any items. You can still return your product within 30 days of delivery if the product is damaged, leaking, tampered, broken product, or the package. If the product that you receive is incorrect, the product post expiration date, incomplete order, or there are missing products that has already been delivered to your location. So if you would like to return any products in Plex, all you have to do is just to log into your Plex account and then just simply process a return. You just simply need to add a return label and make sure that the item is full package and then make sure that the item that you're returning is complete. So those are the things that you have to keep in mind first for you to be able to return Plex products.